Hi there, Matey here. Today I show how I did this portrait. This video got a bit long, so I broke it down. This is part one. In this part I show some ways of fixing those glitches you get in Second Life photography, around the neck and where the hair meets the head and that sort of thing. I'll be using a soft brush just to paint, the smudge tool, and the mixer brush. Please like, share and subscribe. Do it. As you can see, there's a few issues we need to fix up. At least the neck here where it joins, we'll fix that. There's two ways I could fix this. I could probably simply I might just be able to sample this colour here and paint over the top of it, but alternatively I could use a mixer brush. And I can see along his forehead here I'm going to need to probably use a smudge tool and bring some of the hair down into his forehead so it looks a bit natural, and I'll probably paint a bit of hair flying away in the wind and across his face, but here we go. First off, I'll put a layer over the top, sample that colour there, maybe that colour there, and with a soft brush paint over the top and just see what it looks like. Just turn the opacity down a bit. Might be able to blend this in without, this might be the simplest way to do this one, but we'll see. And I'll take another sample from here just in case it's a different colour. So I'm just doing this with the mouse. Seems to be working. Okay, I think that did a pretty good job. So let me zoom out, see if you can notice anything there. Alright, that's fixed. Now this line on his face here is a little bit too sharp, I think, so I might, here I'll use a mixer brush, so I'll still put another layer above that. The mixer brush lives in here and underneath the other brushes. Most important thing to do with this is to make sure that's crossed in there so the brush cleans every time you use it. And if you look in here, clean brush, it's got like the like a clear PNG there, so you need this brush to be cleaning itself with every stroke. And up here it says load, mix and flow. Just want small values in there. I've got 29, 21, 28 and the wet's down at 16. So I'm just going to start that again. I'm going to paint from the light over the dark. Should just blend that in a bit. As I said, I'm going to make sure that that is clear. Alright, let's try this again. So what I'm doing is just painting from the light spots over darker spots just to break up that line. And what the mixer brush does is it samples all the colours around it and it kind of mixes them. And you can see what I've done there with the mixer brush. On his forehead here, I'm going to use the smudge tool. Now I've made its own layer here. You want to make sure that this is ticked, sample all layers. And I'm going to find a hairbrush. So this one here, I'll start with that. So if I paint with that hairbrush, I'll just show you what it looks like. Alright, so it's just 4 dots. Alright, different transparencies. So there's, but I want to use that brush with the smudge tool, which is here. Now I've got that strength at 43%. We'll just see how that goes. And I've got my size down to 20 now, and I'll just start pulling that edge down. Over his forehead. Now I am doing this with a mouse, but you can do it with a pen. I'm just trying to blend that in. And then you can go the other way. Let's put the strength up a little bit. Maybe make that brush a little bit smaller. It's too much. So there's before and after. Turn all these off. So I've got his neck, his cheek, and the ridge line of his brow there now. So on that mixer brush layer there, I might just find a soft brush again. Just go over that little bit there. Control Z. It's a handy little shortcut on the mixer brush. Right. Okay. If you'd like to see the rest of this portrait edit, stay tuned. Part 2 is coming up soon. Thanks for watching.